We are covering essential triangle geometry for the AFOQT Mathematics Knowledge Subtest. This knowledge is critical because it feeds into 5 of the 6 AFOQT composites, including the pilot, CSO, and ABM scores. Let's begin with the absolute foundation. The sum of the interior angles of any triangle is always 180 degrees. An exam question might give you 2 angles of a triangle, say 50 degrees and 70 degrees, and ask for the third. You simply subtract the sum of the known angles from 180 to find the missing angle, which in this case is 60 degrees. Next, we have the Pythagorean theorem, which is a non-negotiable formula to have memorized. It states that for any right triangle, the square of the 2 shorter sides or legs added together equals the square of the longest side, the hypotenuse. The formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A common trap is applying this to a triangle that is not explicitly a right triangle. The AFOQT will test this with problems like finding the direct distance between 2 points, which often forms the hypotenuse of a right triangle. For example, if a plane flies 30 miles east and then 40 miles north, you can visualize a right triangle. Using the theorem, 30 squared, 900, plus 40 squared, 1600, equals 2500. The square root of 2500 is 50, so the direct distance is 50 miles. Recognizing Pythagorean triples like 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, and 6, 8, 10 can save you valuable calculation time. Now let's discuss similar triangles. These are triangles that have the same angles, meaning their corresponding sides are proportional. A classic AFOQT problem involves shadows. Imagine a 6-foot-tall person casts a 4-foot shadow at the same time a nearby flagpole casts a 20-foot shadow. To find the flagpole's height, you set up a proportion. The person's height over their shadow's length equals the flagpole's height over its shadow's length. So, 6 over 4 equals x over 20. Cross-multiplying gives you 4x equals 120. Dividing by 4, you find the flagpole is 30 feet tall. Those lengths cannot form a triangle. This is a quick way to eliminate incorrect answer choices. Finally, you must memorize the special right triangles to master the AFOQT max section, the 45-45-90 and the 30-60-90 triangles. For a 45-45-90 triangle, the 2 legs are equal, and the hypotenuse is the length of a leg times the square root of 2. For a 30-60-90 triangle, the sides are in a ratio of 1 to the square root of 3 to 2. The shortest side is opposite the 30-degree angle. The hypotenuse is twice the shortest side, and the side opposite the 60-degree angle is the shortest side times the square root of 3. A good mnemonic is, for special rights, remember 1 root 2 for your 45 pal and 1 root 3 2 for the 30-60-90 crew. Recognizing these patterns allows you to find side lengths instantly without using the full Pythagorean theorem, saving critical seconds on the exam. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.